What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Quantum Ascent. I have Chainlink link up on the screen here. Going to dive into some of the short-term price action, but I did want to call out. I put a video out September 30th. You have to use the market cap chart for Link. There is inflation, so you're going to have the wrong alt season targets and stuff if you're not paying attention to that. So go check that video out if you want the longer-term view. Again, today, this is the price chart. We're just going to take a look at that. On the shorter term stuff, not as worried about inflation. That's more over years. Okay. So looking at price, I mean, it's been respecting this channel. We haven't set new lows here. A lot of the market took out their April lows from 2025. That hasn't happened. It came lower, but we're still building higher lows, guys. And right there, we did have a lower high. So what are we doing? We're kind of compressing a little bit. You see this triangle, right? Come up, certainly looks like a little bit of a bull flag on a high time frame. I'm going to be looking for this thing to pop out. I believe Chainlink has new highs come in again. Great project, real utility. I think this guy's going to be a winner. So you even drag this out a little bit. Does that get on top of these highs? I mean, it's sloppy, but you could like make an argument that we're riding that trend line the whole way, and that goes back to the lows of 2022. So higher time frame, I think everything still looks fine. We zoom in a little bit. Let me get off the weekly over to the daily here. Again, you see that we're in this range. Sitting at the lows, haven't quite made it out yet. Like to see 20.236. That's taking back only 23% of this drop. So although it didn't fall as hard as a lot of the market, it didn't get the juice off the floor like a lot of the market did. I mean, we saw some stuff go 100, 200% off the floor. Now, this didn't get whacked as hard, so it makes sense, right? This thing has just been ranging at the lows. A lot of things have just been bleeding through this. Chainlink not doing it right now. So overall, good sign of strength. We look at the daily here. What's going on here? Why isn't it bringing up my RSI? What the hell? I know there was something going on today with TradingView. Okay, on the RSI, we want to look for a break above that. It's above 60. My settings are off here now that I had to add this, but above 60 is bullish. We are bullish right now. We want to see it weave up there. Kind of like back here. We broke above it. We weaved. What happened to price? Price went up that whole time. Got back up here, broke through, weaved. Price kept going up during that moment. So that's certainly what is happening here for Chainlink. This is Coinbase's chart. Let me add some volume because it messed with that too. Looking at the daily, pretty average volume. Let's go over to the weekly. Still on the lower side. So we're starting to see like Bitcoin had the highest buy volume yesterday in 10 months. We want to start seeing some stuff there for some of these alts too, like some buy volume back here. You can see what was happening with price as the buy volume spiked, right? And at the same time, RSI heading from low to high, we love that. We love that. That's when price typically goes up. If you're just going to trade basic, you could trade RSI low to high on the weekly. Moves take a while, right? But usually pretty lucrative. Like this last low to high here, 2.7x. This low to high here, 3.2x. This low to high. This one goes a little bit further back down here all the way up till it tops 3.3x, right? So the conditions are there. We got to be patient here, and we got to, wait for the market to resolve itself a little bit. You do see that Bitcoin dominance is teetering on the edge. The good news is Tether dominance getting absolutely smashed. So let's see. We have some resistance up here. I would expect this $20 level to get hit sooner than later. I do think a lot of things are going to take back this 10-10 drop, and that 10-10 drop happened right here at the 702, about 23 bucks. So how far are we from there? Not too far, maybe 50%, 65%, but I do think that this comes quicker. This comes quick, and that's kind of the next level where maybe we just stall out temporarily, take a breather before attacking new highs and hopefully really getting our alt season rolling, guys. So super optimistic across the board. Chainlink, great project. No exception to the rule there. Just let this guy get rolling. So that's that, guys. If you want to go deeper, join the Quantum Circle. Real-time trades, access to my portfolio, 2 macro videos a day, a Discord. Teach you how to do TA like me. Like I said, link to that in the bio. If not, thank you so much for being here. If you guys could follow, like, repost, I want to help as many people as I can before it's too late. So hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next one.